Hello everyone. Here's another question, geometry question. And in this case, I like to change it up and give you the answers on each of the given angles. But in this case, we want to know why that is true. All right, let's go through angle X. Let's see why it is 50 degrees. So angle X, which is right here, that's angle X. Okay. And to get angle X, let's focus on the line RN and MT. These two lines with this tick mark here that they have, so one is in here and one is in here, if you can see that, those two lines are parallel. So here we are going to statement here parallel, and since they are parallel, then X must be equal to 50 degrees, and the reason is that they are called in parallel lines, these angles are called alternate interior angles. And here is another way of showing it. We call that the Z rule for memory if you want to memorize it faster. So here's the Z rule, and the reason it's called Z rule is because this pattern of Z. All right, so angle A is equal to angle B in this case, and therefore angle X must be 50 degrees. Now let's look at angle Y. Now angle Y is up here, so let's change this is angle Y, and we want to know what is the measure of that angle. To get angle Y, I need to remind you of the theorem, and the theorem got to do with the tangent lines. So you got a tangent line, PR, or this line, complete line, is called that Z or whatever you like to call it, is tangent to the circle, okay? And this chord RN is intersecting this tangent line at the point of tangency, which is R. And the theorem says that the angle between the tangent line and the chord at the point of tangency is equal to the opposite inscribed angle to that chord. Well, this angle is opposite inscribed angle to this chord. So here it is. You see that? Right there. So if that's the case, angle Y is 42 degrees. Very good. So that's the reason we use tangent line and a chord, an angle in between. All right. So let's go to the last part. Z is 10 centimeters. Why? And this is very straightforward. So let's look at that. In this case, we are going to use another theorem. And the other theorem is got to do with this external point P that is being used to draw two tangent lines to the circle. And according to the theorem, tangents from the external point theorem, and what that says is that the length of the line segment of the tangent line PR and PT, these two line segments, they are the same if P is the external point and the two tangents are drawn from that point to the circle. So in this case, Z, this line segment PR, must equal to PT, which is 10 centimeters. And here it is that Z is 10 centimeters. Let me write the unit, and that's it. All right.